Okay guys, our ASTR is in that zone again, guys. Remember that zone we were talking about? 1450s to 1480s. It's actually reversing off of that zone. So I am keeping an eye on it for a possible short, not yet. Alright guys, I'm looking at ASTR for a possible short. 1463 at the moment on the ask. 1463. I'm gonna try this, guys, with a 1482 stop, 20 cent stop, guys. 1460, 1463. $14.61s with a stop just over the recent high. And then if it starts breaking down 1450s, I'll add to it. Alright, there we go. That's looking better. ASTR. We want to see that 1450s break as well. If it does, I will take some more. I'm adding to my short under 1450. But I also want to watch out for the spread as well. As it breaks 1450, there might be a huge spike in the spread. So I want to make sure I get a better price on this. If it does run, it runs. That's fine. 1450s are getting hit. As you can see, there's hidden. There we go. It's gone. Okay, now I'm going to try and add 47s. I'm trying to add. I didn't get 47s, 45s. So I've added 45s, guys. Just a bit of a chase, but with this stock, it does move fast. So I'm still running the stop over 1482s, guys. The stop is still there. Now what I can do is 1463s around just over 5 cents risk. So we want to bring the stop down, guys, to just 1462s, 63s. So ASTI, our first partial gets hit, 1401s, even better than I expected. I was looking at 1410s. This is great. Now, guys, the stop goes and comes down to just over 1450s. Right, guys, I'm gonna take 1423s. I've taken everything off on ASTR 1423s. I want to recap the trade on the ALEC. As I was mentioning, this is the one of the better trades I took today. Not because of because it was green. It's just because it was it had some momentum behind it, and it gave me a quick reaction after I entered. So my thesis was correct, and So really nice entry, really nice exit. One exit, one entry. The entry is here, as you can see, and then as it starts to show me a little bit of a sign of strength, I exited the whole thing here. So one exit, one entry, that's it, done.